Welcome to Maria's Indian Adventure. Today we are going to upgrade the stock speakers with a Powerband 6.5-inch kit with amplifier. The right accessories was purchased from Brave Wolf, and it's a little something to the Knight Rider theme that the Challenger wants to have. This toolkit was included with this, so this is going to be used to pry out the grill that covers the speaker. There, and push this little lever and unplug. That's how it is. So now we put the new one in. You see the difference between the stock and the Powerband 6.5 with amplifier. So with the bigger speaker, we no longer need this ring. So we're gonna attach this straight to the speaker hole. Before that, we have to attach the harness right there. Click. And we're making sure that this is facing there so that this hole and that hole over there are aligned. So we do it like that. And we'll see. Let's see if it is aligned. If not, we need to make some adjustments. All right, there's gotta be a better way of doing this. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So that should be the direction. The tweeter should be facing that way so that this hole is aligned. And we tighten it up. Another screw. Fix that. Screw here. And fourth screw. And voila, that easy. Now we are going to do the same procedure to the right side. Now that the new speakers are in, the bike will automatically recognize the Powerband audio and will give you a 9-band equalizer. Just go to settings, all settings, audio, equalizer, and voila, that gives you your 9-band setting equalizer. So we are going to test and see how good the speakers are compared to the stock speakers that were here before. There's definitely a difference between the stock and the Powerband speaker, but you have to adjust the equalizer to your liking. I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more content to come. Thank you and hit subscribe.